This is Beko, the smart and strong excavator. Excavator can dig soil, move sand, and help build buildings. Look! The excavator starts digging the soil with its strong bucket. Look! Excavator is lifting the soil and moving it carefully. Excavator can also level the ground, so everything becomes neat and safe.
The excavator is carefully loading sand into the truck. Wow, it works so neatly. After that, the excavator levels the ground so it's ready to use.
Look, Lala! Beko is loading sand into Dumpi! Yay, Beko! Go, Dumpi!
A dump truck is delivering sand to a construction site, assisted by an excavator.
Thank you, Beko and Dumpi!
By working together, everything becomes easier and more enjoyable.